Hello NEET aspirants, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell some idea or a plan for 11th standard biology. Do watch the video till the end to know whether it's helpful or not. If it was helpful, please like the video and do subscribe. Let's enter into the video. So this is the first unit of class 11th biology and it has the living world, biological classification, plant kingdom and animal kingdom. Now I am giving the days required for fresher as well as dropper. Now for living world, it was a very small lesson. So don't think that in this lesson you can just read it for once or twice and you can go for an exam. This lesson is also very important in coming to the 7 units, I think so, 7 units of classification, which will have, if I am right, species, genus, family, class, order. So all these things will have some minute details, so you need to study it properly. Even though I gave one day, you can utilize it properly and don't leave some silly mistake coming to this living world. Now let's move to the next lesson, which is biological classification. Now for this lesson, I gave 3 days for fresher. As you can see, 3 days for fresher and 2 days for dropper. I am giving this 3 days and 2 days to complete this lesson in 3. See, for fresher, if you take, I am giving 3 days. Even this lesson you can complete it in a single day. But for fresher, you will have schools regularly. So for morning and evening, you can just give 1 hour and another 1 hour at evening. So that morning you can study biological classification and at evening you can study different lesson for 1 hour. So in this way, for 3 days, 1 hour if you give for biological classification, you may complete this lesson within 3 days. Also, you can complete another lesson in the evening for 3 days. In this way, I given this plan because you are already stressed for going to school daily and you need to again study for NEET examination. So you need to give full so you need to pay full attention to a single chapter. So you can complete biological classification in a single day. But if you are not able to complete like this, then do follow this method. For dropper also I am saying this. For dropper, mostly you can study a single lesson in a single day. If you are not getting some motivation for studying single lesson a single day, that you are feeling demotivated or frustrated, then you can split the chapter into 2 or 3 parts and you can give 2 hours or 1 hour for each lesson in a single day. So like this also you can study, or you can just go with studying a chapter per day. Otherwise, follow this plan. So I am giving biological classification 2 days. So this biological classification has 5 parts: Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Splitting it into two parts is like, you can split. Monera is very simple. Protista has some minute details. It has again 5 subtopics, I think so. So everything is very important. Coming to slime molds and then protozoas and what else are there? Euglenoids. Then you're having diatoms, dinoflagellates. All these 5 things are very important. It has many minute details and the diagrams. So you can split Monera, Protista and the intro part in one part as a part, and the next part will be like fungi, plantae and animalia. Plantae and animalia is not having many details in this biological classification. So splitting fungi, plantae and animalia as the second part will be more suitable for dropper. Coming to fresher, I gave 3 days. Here you can say the intro part is also very important in biological classification. So you can split it like intro part, Monera, Protista. Then fungi you can even give a single day because it has again 4 classes, I think. Yes, not I think. It has 4 classes: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. So you can study the fungi itself in a single day for 1 hour. I think even for 1 hour, the time is not enough. So pay full attention or give full attention to fungi for 1 hour. Then coming to the third part, which will be Plantae and Animalia, and you can just revise the full lesson, the examples alone, in the third part. So like this, you can split this lesson into 3 parts and you can study in 3 days. Next, coming to the plant kingdom, here itself, again there are 5 subtopics. If I am right, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. So in NEET 2025, there was a question from pteridophytes, I think so. They asked the life cycle. So if you whenever you study this plant kingdom, the life cycle is also very important. So try to split like algae, then bryophytes, and the intro part in first part, and the second part pteridophytes, gymnosperm. Then third part will be your angiosperm and full revision on third day. So like this, for fresher you can utilize this 3 days. For dropper I said 2 days, which will be intro part algae, bryophytes, and then pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm also in a single day. Because again here the angiosperm is not given in full detail. You will see the angiosperm as a separate lesson as sexual reproduction in flowering plants in class 12. So no need to give much importance to angiosperm. I think it was also removed from the NCERT book, I'm not sure. So then coming to animal kingdom, this lesson at the first time, if you are learning, only some students will be interested in it. Most of them will neglect this lesson because it has lot of examples. So to memorize the examples, you need to revise it regularly or write it in a sticky notes or your class notes. Try to revise it at least once a week till the exam was going to happen. I'm saying the NEET final exam. Even if you are having class test or the test from your institute, if you are having the test, then only you will revise. But if the test was not happening, if it is happening after a long time, you will feel like you've forgotten the details. So whenever you have the example for biological classification, plant kingdom as well as animal kingdom, all these things includes examples. So you need to be in touch with these examples till before the NEET examination, which was going to happen. So for animal kingdom, for dropper, you can study it like one day non-chordates, another day chordates, and the third day you can revise it. For dropper, non-chordates, if you are taking today, most of the time you will not able to complete it because within 1 hour it was even not possible to study 4 non-chordates also. But you need to study it. If you are not able to study it, utilize the time on the evening 1 hour also to study this lesson. So if you are taking intro part, again it has some details, then non-chordates, remaining non-chordates and some chordates you take it as a second part, then chordates, remaining chordates, and just revise it, all the things you revise it on the third day, and fourth day also you revise it for 1 hour. Then only, even after giving this much time, this lesson was somehow tough to remember, so you need to revise it regularly. So for the first time revision, you should make it perfect by giving more time. Okay, that's all for this first unit.